Muslim boys' names starting with N with meaning in English by I. Fechtner. Nadir means dear, rare. Naail means attain success with special effort. Nasir means defender, supporter, helper, assistant. Naaz means pride. Naazim means administrator, manager. Nazir means spectator. Nabeeh means great. Nabil means noble man. Nabi means messenger. Nada means giving due generosity. Nadir means rare, unique. Nadi or Nadi means stream. Nadia means caller, announcer. Nadeem means companion, friend. Naeem means pleasure, luxury, benefits. Nayeer means bright. Nafasat means purity, cleanliness. Nafees means valuable, precious, extremely desirable. Nain means eye. Najeeb means one who helps, supports, highland, brave. Najeed means brave, bold. Naji means saved. Najm means a planet, star, celestial body. Najm Al Din means the star of the faith. Nakeeb means fault finder, he who investigates, verifies. Naseeb means luck, fortune. Naseem means breeze. Nashat means pleasure, a place of relaxation. Nasif means servant. Nasih means fresh air, breath of fresh air. Nasir means victorious, the helper, the supporter, protector. Nasir Al Din means protector of the faith. Nasr means help, victory. Nasir Al Din means a helper of the Deen, a helper of Deen Islam. Nawfal means handsome, benefactor. Naveed means good news. Nazif means pure, clean, neat. Naazim means arranger, adjuster, administrator, manager. Neelam means sapphire. Nikka means small, tiny. Nisar means scattering, strewing, sacrifice, offering, dispersion. Nishawar means scattering, throwing, strewing, dispersion, sacrifice. Niaz means an offering. Nizam means arrangement, administration. Nizam means a system, rule. Noman means counselor, advisor, advice, counselor. Nu is an Arabic version of Noah. Noha or Nu, Hazrat Nu, is the name of a well-known prophet. Noor means light, splendor. Nova means happy, happily born. Numair means young panther. Namud means blood. It's an old Arabic name. Nuruddin means brightness of the faith. Nura means luminous. Nuri means shining, brightness, light, fire. Nusair means champion. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for joining me. Please note one thing, that this video tutorial is only for knowledge sharing purposes. If you want to name your baby, then please consult a local scholar before finalizing a name for your baby. If you like this video tutorial, then please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel, and if you are new, then hit the bell icon. I will see you next time. Until then, take care, keep learning, keep enjoying. Good day.